What's up, guys? Welcome to Toy Gigante. This is Carlos.
And I'm Mary.
And we've been kind of busy, so we're going to do a quick review.
We're going to do a little unboxing, just so we don't leave you guys hanging for a week.
Yeah, we wanted to do something at least.
Yeah, something.
And I'm hoping that that I have some time this week to do another how-to tutorial.
We are.
I want to do some more of those because I want to teach you guys what I know, and you know, if that helps you out, awesome.
So yeah, up next, hopefully next week, is his second tutorial.
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully. So, but yeah. So what we have this week is we have some of the Funko Mystery Minis, and as we were huge fans of the Disney afternoon in the 90s, we couldn't resist an opportunity to pick up the Mystery Mini boxes of Disney afternoon stuff.
My favorite is DuckTales. I love DuckTales.
I mean, DuckTales was great. My favorite was Darkwing. I was a Darkwing Duck fan, but that was because...
I like that one too, though. And I like Tailspin.
Yeah. Tailspin I wasn't that big of a fan of.
Like
My brother loved Gummy Bears. That was his favorite.
I like Gummy Bears too.
Yeah, Gummy Bears. Rescue Rangers was really cool. We were discussing how awesome Gadget is. You know, but so in the back of these, you have an opportunity to get, looks like about 15 different figures. You know, they have Launchpad, which obviously covers 2.
I want to get the Gadget. That's her name, right?
You're hoping for Gadget. I am hoping... it's weird. Like, both of us are hoping for Rescue Rangers, even though we really weren't that big of fans. Like,
yeah,
I would love Monterey Jack just because I did love Zipper the Fly. So
and I had a crush on Gadget for some reason.
Creeper.
Thanks.
Welcome.
She's a cute squirrel mouse.
She was hot for a mouse.
She was hot for a mouse. What do you want me to do? I was like 8 years old.
You know, I honestly thought that, like, you know, Morgana from Darkwing was kind of hot for a duck, but I mean, but I think that was just because she reminded me of Elvira, and
well, yeah,
you know, even at that age, it was like reminded you of Elvira.
I love Elvira.
Elvira's the best.
Ladies first. I think you should open up yours and see what you get.
All right, I will. I'll open mine first.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Let's see what we get.
All right, let's check out these boxes. So this is from Funko, and it looks like these are Toys R Us exclusives.
Actually, I don't think they're Toys R Us exclusives because we picked one of them up at Walmart and we picked the second one up at Toys R Us. So.
I don't know what's going on then.
But you can see here, these are what we could get. The rarer ones are Monterey Jack. And...
This is Toys R Us right there.
It does say only... But look, this one doesn't. Oh, okay, alright. So if you look at the back...
There's different characters.
If you look at the back, it shows on the Toys R Us one that you can get like Negaduck and Shere Khan.
So it's exclusive
and King Louie as exclusives only available for Toys R Us. And then this one is the regular release.
Okay.
So
that now I get it.
Yeah. Okay. Now we get it. Cool. Oh, but look. Look. Okay, so on the regular release one, you can get Scrooge McDuck.
That's the one I want.
You can get Scrooge McDuck or Chip and Dale. And they don't have that option available here.
Alright. I want either Gadget or Scrooge McDuck.
Well, you have a Scrooge collection right now. So, I am going to go first as instructed.
Go first.
So, and I will be opening the Toys R Us exclusive. What do we get?
What do we get?
Ah!
Well, of course it's going to be a blind bag.
Yeah, I know. Alright, who'd I get? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh my god, I got him! Okay, I really wanted Monterey Jack and Zipper, and I magically got him! That's amazing!
Let's see. Let's look at the detail.
Yeah, let's take a look at the detail. We'll do a quick little turnaround on the Lazy Susan.
He looks really happy.
We'll put him in the middle. He looks really happy. Zipper's pretty great I loved Zipper the Fly. He was my favorite. So we have a friend that this looks like, so we may just nickname him EJ.
Nice.
But yeah, so it looks pretty good.
Let me see.
Here, you take a look.
It looks like that kind of face is when you talk to your friend, and they just kind of look at you like, what?
Like they actually are pretending that they know what you're
like,
talking about, but really they don't.
It's the kind of face I get.
They're humoring you when we talk about toys, but they really don't give a crap.
They're like, oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Toys.
Oh,
Great.
That's nice.
So that's what's his name again?
Monterey Jack from Rescue Rangers.
Yeah.
So come bring you some.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Mine is the non-exclusive Toys R Us one.
Well, this one's the one we got at Walmart.
This is the Walmart one. We go all over the place. We just buy toys that catch our eye. Let's see. Sorry. So, what did I get?
Oh, you got Dale.
Dale, Magnum PI looking guy.
Yeah, what was it we were looking at? There was something that compared
Dale.
Oh, Indiana Jones and Magnum PI.
Oh, yeah.
They were saying that Dale was Magnum and Chip was Indiana Jones.
That makes sense. Okay, well I got Magnum PI. It's not Gadget, but it'll do.
That'll do. Maybe we can find somebody that'll trade you a Gadget.
Maybe. I want my Gadget.
So, here, let's give him equal treatment.
Alright, let's see.
Let's turn Mr. Dale around in the fancy Lazy Susan.
They're nice sculpt.
Yeah, they're really good sculpts.
Nice quality. They remind me of those McDonald's toys back in the day.
You know what they remind me of? I used to get the Kellogg's ones in my cereal.
Ones,
yeah, back in the day, like in the 90s, they had these Kellogg's cereal Disney afternoon ones. And I totally got all of them.
I want cereal right now.
You can't have cereal.
Yeah, it just looks...
They're pretty great.
Is he the wacky one?
He was the wacky one.
Okay, he's the funny one.
He's the funny one.
I have to rewatch all these cartoons again. Anyways, he's telling him a joke, and then he's like, what? Well, Mary, I'm glad you got the one you wanted.
I'm pretty stoked I got the one I wanted.
Sometimes you gotta weigh the box, and this one was like kind of heavy, so...
I totally sat there weighing all the boxes. I really wanted Monterey Jack.
That's how you do the blind box sometimes. You just gotta weigh the boxes.
Sometimes. Other times you do the Harry Potter one and you wind up with 4 Thestrals and not a single...
It's a gamble. These blind things are a gamble.
It's true.
But they're fun.
They're pretty fun.
And you can always trade them with your friends.
And the best part is that Dale totally fits in the little mini Thunder Machine go-kart.
Yeah, that was for another review, but...
Well, we'll still do the review later. But look, he fits in the go-kart! Sorry.
You jumped the gun.
I jumped the gun.
Anyways, until next time, we'll see you guys soon, and we'll have more surprises for you. We're always doing fun things here.
Tutorial next week.
Hopefully. We're going to try to do that, and it's going to be a good time.
Good time.
We'll see you next time on Toy Gigante.
Bye!